Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my balancing system. Balancing because there's an arm being turned around and it kind of balances on 4 springs. And last time I added some wires, lamps, but well, that doesn't really do much yet. The point is that this only works when the software runs, which isn't the case yet. One quirk is that when I touch one of these buttons that actually selects the input and you power it on. So let me just power it on again. It somehow automatically starts running, which is the case again, which should not happen because there's no program running. Well, there obviously is a program running, but not mine. My programs run from the computer through the interface. So the remarkable fact is, by the way, that my program does almost the same as this routine does. So which is a bit unclear. Now I will select the normal standard. So now it checks for the interface. And for the rest I switch now to screencast to show software that is running or that I can run with all the other things. So what you see is the camera, then the Python code, diagnostic interface, and a terminal in which I execute the software, this coder. And let's just put the interface on, and that's no problem. Then I tried to put a light on, but as far as I can see, that doesn't run yet. I can do this, and it is being seen. Then it is motor 2, I think. Or output. Does it even work? It's towards ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. So right now, that doesn't do a thing. Let me check. Yeah, it's 3. So this should have worked. Which means I have to test for the lamp to be alright. But the idea for the lamp is that it touches a switch here somewhere, and then it goes the other way around. So once again, oh right, I need to close the interface. And it should not get stuck in the wires. Alright, that's one thing. Another thing is software. This is the diagnostic interface. With other software I often use the ROBOPro software, which comes from fischertechnik, but I haven't updated in quite a while. So I'm going to try to run an update and see whatever happens. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, okay. Openings. And I had a problem starting the software again, my own program. Some things were interfering, and I had a problem with getting the sensor placed, the sensor that is supposed to light up this lamp. I can do this via the diagnostic software. I can also do it via ROBOPro. So I managed to upgrade and get a surprise and a big question mark. If you want to see what that is about, then you'll have to see the full video. Also with the sensor, please see everything in the full video, which you can do by buying and by becoming a patron or a member via Ko-fi. Additional support via Ko-fi, Buy Me a Coffee and PayPal. Thank you for my supporters. If you like this video, please do subscribe, click the bell for notification and leave a comment or suggestion. And you can wait for the next video, published weekly, either a fischertechnik model or an embedded systems video. This one is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.